Hello, my name is Ryan Zakos with Zakos Realty. In today's video, I'm going to give you 10 wedding venues that I've personally been to and I personally love. I'm gonna start with my favorite. The first one on the list is the Cottesson. It was the personal residence for John Ringling, Ringling Brothers Circus, and now has a museum, art gallery, and it's a beautiful venue right on the Sarasota Bay. Number two is another bayfront place. It's the Crosley. It's actually the Crosley Estate. It's a couple houses down from the Cottesson. Still beautiful grounds and a gorgeous wedding venue. And another bayfront, Marie Selby Botanical Gardens. This is a wonderful wedding venue. Even if you do not get married there, I still recommend going and checking out the beautiful gardens, the beautiful grounds. Couple other places that are known for its ambiance and architecture: South Florida Museum, Philippi Estate Park, and Spanish Point. All beautiful historical elements, architecture, grounds that would make a wonderful wedding venue in Sarasota. The beach is self-explanatory. Everyone in this area has probably been to or seen a wedding on the beach. There are public beaches and private beaches in which you can get married on. It is not free, because make sure that you do look at permits and stuff like that. There are things that are tied to getting married on the beach, but still makes a wonderful wedding venue locally. A resort venue would be the Ritz-Carlton. It is a beautiful resort and a beautiful venue for getting married. Lakewood Ranch Golf and Country Club. It is a large building on a hill overlooking a golf course and beautiful Lakewood Ranch, so definitely a place worth checking out. And lastly, Baker's Ranch. It's known for its rustic charm. All these 10 venues that I just mentioned all have different aspects to them, different elements to them, different vibes to them, so I don't know which one would be appealing to you. I've been to all of them. I love them all, and if you have any questions about these venues or any other ones, hesitate to reach out. Look forward to talking.